Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and today I'm so excited. I'm doing a project. I'm doing a DIY. If you're interested in seeing what I'm making, stick around. Okay guys, what I did was I went to Home Depot and I purchased some wood, had it cut to size, and when I got home I used my sander. You can see it was used, yes. I sanded down the edges to make sure they were smooth in the corners. What I'm making, guys, is a mirror. I'm making two mirrors. I've already put the hooks on the back. I have to connect the wires. And then I'm going to spray the edges. I'm going to spray the edges and the inside just a small bit. I'm spraying it silver on both of them. All right. And then I'm going to attach my mirrors. These are the mirrors from the Dollar Tree that were in the frames. I took them out the frames. Yes, they're dirty. They need to be washed, wiped off. I'll do that when I put them together. I have these, and I'm using the square ones, and I'm using some of the octagon shaped ones. Also, I will be using some of this diamond strip. And then I have my glue. And my other thing is the thing to do the glue is outside. I have to go and get it. But these are the things I will be using today. There's the wire there that goes on the back of the mirrors. So I'm really excited. I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I'm going to get started with this today. So bear with me, guys. Okay, guys. I've painted the ends and a little bit on the inside on both boards. So now I'm going to let them dry. Then I'll do the bottom part and let it dry. But if I had something to sit them on out here, I could have did all the sides, but I don't. So I've done the edges on the top and both sides on both. Give that time to dry, then I'll flip it and do the bottom. Okay guys, this is what I'm going to make. I'm making the mirrors that are going to go in the master bedroom. The ones I wanted, I just refused to pay $300 for. So I'm making these with Dollar Tree items. I went had board cut to size as you saw. And these are the products that I will be using. This was the 8x10 mirrors in the gold or the silver frame. I took them out the frame. I have 4 of those. I have one of these mirrors here, and I have, I think, 4 of the square mirrors. And then these, I know you guys are familiar with these. I think I have about 23, 24 of these. And I got these little ones here from I think it was, Hobby Lobby. I bought a package of these, and I'll be using these in different spots in the mirror. Now, as the wood has already been painted, you've seen that, and then here is my glue that I will be using. So if you hang around, you can see how I put this all together. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to take my big 8x10 mirrors and place them on the board. I've already drawn lines where they need to be placed so everything comes out to my liking. As you know, these Dollar Tree mirrors are not always the straightest. Now they're almost to the point where I want them. Okay, don't do like I did. I forgot to take off the little stoppers on the end. Had to stop and do that. But Each mirror here will fit in between. Okay guys, here is the finished product. Both of my mirrors are complete. There's one and there's the second one. I'm very happy at how they turned out. And everything you see on these mirrors was from the Dollar Tree, except for the little bitty square mirror right there. That came from Hobby Lobby. But everything else on these mirrors came from the Dollar Tree. And of course, you know, I had wood cut for the back. Look guys, I want to show you the finished product. I hope you enjoyed my video of me doing a DIY mirror for my master bedroom. I had fun doing this, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not already a family member, please click that subscribe button down below. I know you see it waving at you. Click that button. And next to it, you see a bell, guys. Click that bell twice. That bell will notify you every time I upload a video. Yes, yes. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. As always, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.